is very different from every other recipe that I've given you guys, and I'm really encouraging you to stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video because you're sure gonna love this plate. Let's go ahead, pot or pan, and get this very unique color. Hey guys, so my water is boiling already. I'll go in with the noodles. I'll go ahead now and cut, all my vegetables. These are the vegetables I'll be using. It's not a junk food. These are my tomatoes, chili pepper, scotch, chili, onions, carrots, cucumber. So guys, this is what we have. So we're going to be putting in the vegetable oil. Then we'll put in our onions. Then we'll put in all the peppers we're using. I'll go in with my tomatoes. Going in with our carrots. I'll now go in with one of the seasonings. I'll go in with this guys. So guys, our noodles is ready. Our eggs, we have some of our onions here. So I'll put a little bit of this noodle spice still, just to spice on the eggs. It's now time for us to fry the egg.